If you're experiencing any connectivity issues, then this tutorial will explain how to solve the problem. The best way to sort out connectivity issues is by performing a Bluetooth reset on both the hand and the app. Start by resetting the Bluetooth on the app. Open the Covey Go app and click on the Support button at the top right of the screen. Once the Support menu pops up, then click on Reset Bluetooth. The Reset Bluetooth drawer will then show. Now click on Reset. A message will appear to say the Bluetooth settings have been reset. Click on OK. The next step is to perform a Bluetooth reset on your hand. Press and hold the dorsal button next to the e-paper screen. The word Reset will appear on the screen after 10 seconds. Keep the dorsal button held down until you hear the startup beep and the e-paper screen shows the startup screen with the Covey logo. This should have resolved the connectivity issues. However, if you still have problems, please get in touch with our customer service team.